Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today you're in for a treat because I'm going to take you along with me as we give my foyer a summer makeover. I'm joining some other lovely ladies here on YouTube for an Entryway makeover collaboration hosted by Abby over at Abby's Nest. I will leave a link to the playlist in the description box. Be sure you check it out for even more inspiration on Entryway makeovers. The majority of my home is in project mode. I am doing makeovers here and there, so we are starting with the foyer in this video. As you can see, there is no flooring. I am going to have some tile put down. So we ripped up the parquet flooring a few weeks ago, but with everything going on, didn't want to have anyone in our home. So for now, I'm going to be doing a little bit of painting, a little bit of repairs on the walls, hanging some artwork, and putting out a beautiful centerpiece for summer. The first thing I'm going to do is start off by painting my front door. The outside of the door is already painted black. I've been wanting to paint the inside for a while, so I am just going to give it a good wipe down and kind of repair any holes, and then we're going to start on the paint.
Posting pictures on the gram so other people know that we're more than friends. And ever since you came around, I've never been sober, always in my head. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me down.
The color I chose for my door is called Black Beauty, and it is from Benjamin Moore. The first thing I'm going to do is paint all of the beveled edges, all the panels. I'm just painting the outside of them and the inside with my little brush. I love these paint brushes. They are from Worcester. They are the little shortcut brushes. They have like a little angle on them, and the handle is very easy to use. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is just painting all of that in, and then I do the sides, and then finally for the last step I use my roller to complete the look.
Promise you won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown. Yeah. Oh, let me drown. Oh, no. Met you at a time when I was so low, went from just talking to taking you home. I don't wanna go back to who I used to be, so if you ever leave me, promise you won't let me drown. Won't let me drown. Promise you won't let me drown.
I started painting the door late in the evening, so once I was sure that I was able to get a really good coat on there, I didn't go back and touch it up anymore. I went ahead, cleaned up, went to bed, and got started again bright and early the next day. I went ahead and did all my touch-ups on the door, and then I started on the wall. I had a lot of nail pops. I already filled these in, and all I'm going to do now is sand everything, and there was a huge hole from where we had the doorbell located in the foyer. All I did was have the electrician relocate it because it was very obtrusive and I couldn't put any artwork right there, so it was kind of in my way. So I'm just going to repair all of those holes, paint them, and then I can put up my artwork.
I'm gonna
And now with the door freshly painted, my artwork up, I am just going to sweep the floor. I'm going to clean off the buffet and the mirror, and then I can get started on my centerpiece.
I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. First you wanna come around, then you say you're leaving town. Everything is upside down. Oh baby, I love you, yeah. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Cause baby, I love you, yeah. Guess I'm gonna dance alone tonight. I'm gonna miss your body. You know I can never get it right without you. No, I don't wanna step into the light if I don't get you, shawty. You bring out the sweetness of my life. Oh yeah. Come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Come on and show me that, show me that, show me that you're the one. I move to the left while you move to the right. While you tryna fight, just come on and give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that. Give me that, give me that, give me that, give me that good, good loving. Why you gonna leave when I need you the most? Wherever you go, I'll be there, you know. Don't be a stranger, don't be a ghost. Oh.
Michael's was having a 60% off sale on all of their spring and summer flowers, so I picked up a bunch of flowers I thought would look really good for a centerpiece. The first thing I'm going to do is just kind of cut them down to size. I kind of put them in the vase first, seeing what kind of height I want for them. Then after that, I just cut them down to the size I think will look good in the vase.
Keep it up one more minute. Keep it up, you're so great. Standing, talking. You got me checkmate. No one's watching or nothing. I have cleared out the room, also that you can get to be the big spoon. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin.
To give the flowers a little bit of stability so I could just set them where I wanted to, I'm using some coffee beans and some white pebbles just to put in the vase to kind of give it an anchor so I can have the flowers stand the way I want to stand. If I didn't have that in there, they would just kind of go every which way. So that's why I'm using these items in the vase. Now you could use styrofoam and kind of wrap some ribbon around it so you couldn't see the styrofoam. I'm using what I had on hand, which are coffee beans and rocks.
Take us higher than higher. Ooh, cuddle me blue. Take me to the edges of you. Ooh, ooh. Cut every little inch of my skin. Baby, I will let you in. Ooh, ooh. Can you feel the 779? Tell me you do.
And to finish the look in the foyer, to go along with my beautiful flowers on the buffet, I have a piece of marble. It's actually a marble ashtray. I love the colors of it. I think it plays really well with the colors in the flowers. I'm just going to put this on top of the buffet, and with that I'm going to add this beautiful purple lilac candle. I purchased this from Kohl's and it smells just as good as it looks. And that is my little mini makeover for my foyer. Once I get the flooring done, it's going to look spectacular, but I thought I would go ahead and paint, do all the repairs I needed to, so whenever I get the tile installed, it'll be 100% complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, you guys. This is one of many more on my channel where I plan to do these little home projects and makeovers. If you need even more inspiration on how to decorate and jazz up your entryway, I will leave a link to the playlist below. Please be sure you check it out. And if you're not already a subscriber, I would love to have you subscribe and hit that notification bell twice so you always know when I upload my next video, and I will see you at the next one. Bye, loves.